Shalom, my sweetest friends. This week's Parsha, Patris Yitro. And I want to share with you the deepest Torah in the world from the Rebbe Reb Shlomo. Everybody knows that this week's Parsha is the tikkun of Cain and Abel. According to the holy Arizal, and all the Rebbes bring down, Moshe Rabbeinu is a Gilgul, a reincarnation of the soul of Hevel, and Yitro is a reincarnation of the soul of Cain. Everybody asks, so what's going on? You know, Cain and Abel had a big argument. Everybody knows the story. Cain had an idea. Let's bring an offering to God. But the truth is, he didn't know how to do it. So he brings a little piece of parsley, let's say, left over from, a year ago. And this is his offering. He doesn't know how to do it, Then comes his brother, Hevel. And he knows how. She brings the most beautiful sheep. She knows how to bring an offering. He knows how to do it, right? And everybody knows the story. Cain gets so jealous and he kills his brother. But there's something going on much deeper. First of all, Shlomo says, what was the problem with Hevel? What did he do wrong? What he did wrong was he knew how to do it. He knew how to bring a proper offering. But he didn't teach his brother. He didn't really care about his own brother. And not only that, whose idea was the whole thing? It was Cain's idea to bring the offering. He didn't give him any credit, And obviously, Cain is off, right? The worst thing in the world, killing your brother. And the truth is, he didn't know. There was no such thing as death. Nobody ever died before. He had no idea that by hitting him, he's going to kill him, And the Midrash says, after he hit him, and he was lying there dead, Cain was crying his eyes out, please get up, please get up. I didn't mean it, And we're hoping one day, the great day, there'll be Tchiyat HaMetim, when all of us will mamish, there'll be the revival of the dead. Everyone will see no one ever died. We live forever. So all the Cains in the world will be able to be filled with joy because all the Hevels will get up, will come up. So the fixing is this week's Parsha. Here comes Yitro to Moshe Rabbeinu, and he says to Moshe, Moshe, your whole day, everybody's coming to you, and you're judging on all the different problems that Am Yisrael has, and everybody's standing in line waiting for you. Why don't you make a Sanhedrin? Why don't you make a court system where for the lower questions, the little questions, you'll have smaller rabbis taking care of it. And as you go up, you'll have bigger and bigger. You'll have Sarei of 100. You'll have princes who will be in charge of 100 people, 10 people, whatever it is. Until Mamish, the biggest, most difficult questions you can bring to Moshe. You won't be busy the whole day. So Moshe says, you know what? It's the greatest idea in the world, right? Saving my life. So he does it, makes the whole court system, all under schut of. And here, what is he doing? You would think, here comes Yitro, He's a Jew for one day and he's telling Moshe Rabbeinu what to do. But the fixing of Cain and Abel was all my brother's idea. To bring the offering was all my brother's idea. So now Moshe Rabbeinu is fixing it. And you know what the fixing of Yitro is? The fixing of Cain? He says, comes to his brother Moshe and he says, Moshe, I'm so proud of you now. I'm so proud of you that your offering is accepted, that you are so holy and exalted, that you're the one to receive the Torah. You know, maybe I'm not the one, but I'm so happy, Mamash, have a friend like you. You know, have a son-in-law like you. So this week's portion is the big fixing of Cain and Abel, of all the brothers. And my sweetest friends, let's hope it to be a big fixing, Mamish. The gates are open to love every Jew, Mamish, to appreciate every Jew, no matter how small, no matter how big. It doesn't matter, Mamish. Everyone has something special about him. Every Jew is holy. Every Jew is precious. We make mistakes, yes. But Kabbalah, we precious people. We are compassionate people. It's so clear today how compassionate, how holy, how precious every Jew is. So, my sweetest friends, let's make this the highest Shabbos and love one another so much. And after we are able to love all of Am Yisrael, then we'll be able to love the whole world, Mamash, and bring about the great day. So join me, friends, because the greatest harmony in the world, the greatest fixing of Cain and Abel, they were so much not in harmony. The greatest fixing is to be able to sing together in harmony. So give me good harmony, friends. Let's sing together. Shabbat shalom, shalom.